Welcome to my channel. This is my daily analysis on gold and gbpusd. Today is 8th of April and today is Monday 2024. Don't mind the way I mix up the dates. So before I do the analysis, let's talk about jotting down your journey in forex trading. It's very important. If you write down your trades every day, the trades you took, how they went, regarding everything, regarding your trading every day, if you jot it down, it will improve your knowledge and everything regarding your trading strategy. Wait, just listen, let me explain. It's good if you can do this. It will help you a lot. It will help you understand your strategy, whether it's working, whether it's not working, and whether your strategy is working and you are the cause, the reason why you're not making money, and you are blaming it on your strategy. So that's why I say you should write everything down, mark out your charts. Let me explain. Now, do it this way. Anytime you take a trade, that spot you take buy or sell, mark that spot with something. There is several tools you can use to mark out your chart on your MT4 or trading view. Depends how you want, where you want to mark it out. Mark out that place you took that trade. If it's a sell, when you mark it out, write sell there. Then leave it. If you took another trade, mark it out. If it's a buy, write buy there. Leave it. At the end of the month, then scroll back from the beginning of that month, check those trades you took. Then already, I believe that your strategy you are using, the trading plan, everything you need to abide, or anything, all the setup you need to see before you take a trade, I believe that you have them written down or you have them up here. Then cross-check those trades, all the trades you took that month, all those places you mark out, cross-check them from the beginning to the end. Check the first one. This trade that I took here now, whether is it loss or is it win, it didn't meet all the criteria I need before I take a trade. Check it out. If it didn't meet all the criteria and you took that trade, you know that you violated your rules there. And if it's a loss, you know that trade you lost there is not because of the strategy didn't work, no, but it's your character, your behavior, your mindset, because you didn't wait for the strategy to complete. Cross-check all your trades one by one, whether all the trades you took that month met all the trading plan you wrote down. If they didn't, and at the end of the month you didn't make money, you know that you are the cause that you didn't make money, not your strategy, because you didn't wait for your trading plan to complete before you take a trade. If you can do this, it will enable you to find out whether your strategy is working or not. Because sometimes our strategy is working, but we are the problem because of we don't follow the trading plan. We don't wait for the confirmation to complete before we jump into the trade. We do different errors, different mistakes. At the end of the day, we lose our money and we end up blaming the strategy. And not knowing that the strategy is not the problem, is our mindset, the way we approach the market. So that's why I said, mark any trade you are taking. Keep marking them, keep marking them. Then end of the month, cross-check those trades, whether you follow your trading plan or not. It will help you to know whether you are the problem or whether your strategy is the problem. You can be able to find out whether you are the problem, whether your strategy is the problem. Then you can be able to work on yourself, knowing that, okay, I have to work on myself. I am the problem, not my strategy. Or if your strategy is the problem, then you have to think of maybe twisting the strategy or making it work better. But again, changing strategy all the time can never make you a profitable trader. But what I just explained now will give you the ability to know whether your strategy is really working or is not working, whether your strategy is worth keeping, Because not all strategy worth keeping. There is some strategy that we have to leave them to find one that is better that we can use for long. So I think that if you can be able to do this, we'll be able to find out where the problem is coming from in your trading. So let's stop here and let me go to my today's analysis and do it. I will continue this topic in the next video. Subscribe to my channel and like this video if you are getting value from what I'm doing here, guys. And if you want me to mentor in forex trading, the website of my website link is below. Go to my website, click on the link and sign up my mentorship program. I will mentor you, I will coach you, I will teach you what I'm using to trade my own forex and what is making me money in forex trading. So let's go to my today's analysis. Thanks and God bless. So this is my analysis for today. If you watch what I did last week, I think it was on Saturday. Yeah, my weekly analysis on Saturday, I think. I predicted that gold is going to come back to this zone and respect it and move up. You can go and watch the video if you didn't watch it. So look at what gold did, because I told you guys that this is what happened on on Friday. Gold broke this high. Then I pray that it's going to come back to test this support here, then continue moving up, which it did. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. But I missed this trade because it was late. I was asleep. So it's in Asia section or Sydney section, I don't know. Okay, my country time, it was like 2:15 p.m. and 2:15 a.m. 2:15 a.m. So I was asleep already when this thing happened. So you can see that there is a double bottom here. This level and this level, and this particular one is one that hit this zone and broke the neckline. You can also call this W pattern, broke the neckline, and it went up. I missed this trade, so I don't know whether if any of you caught this trade, let the person indicate on the comment section. So your entry point will be there and your stop loss will be here. And this trade went like almost 1 to 3. When this particular candle closed, it traced back to here. Definitely, I will not miss this trade if I was awake. Even if I enter it at the close of this candle, it still give 1 to 2 plus. But I missed the trade because it was like 2:15 a.m. in my country, and so I was asleep. But my analysis again for this gold is this is daily time frame. And on daily time frame, you can still see that we are still having bullish candlestick. I don't know, but I'm still expecting this gold to come back to this zone again and reject back to upside. Sorry guys, if the uptrend is going to continue. So this is the 4 hours time frame. So I'm still expecting it to come back again to this zone or to this moving average 50. But whatever makes it to come back to this moving average 50, it might do change of character. Well, I believe that before we get to this moving average 50, this moving average might get inside this box. So it's not going to do change of character. But I don't know. I'm just kind of saying, but let's watch out how it play out when we have more data on gold this week. Guys, remember that any analysis I'm doing is not really a daily analysis for that day, because this analysis now might stay up to a day, 2 days before gold will finally come to that particular support I'm looking at for. So this analysis might last up to 2 or 3 days before gold might get to that particular support or resistance I'm looking at for. But every day I'll keep as reviewing reviewing my analysis and telling you guys what I'm seeing, or if there's any new development on the analysis. So right now I'm still waiting for gold to draw back to this boss, then give me W pattern, then I will take a trade from the neck of that W pattern, or I will use head and shoulder and take the trade. So let's see how this will play out. So I'm still waiting to come back to this zone, guys. So watch out for it. It's going to play out. So this is my analysis on gbpusd. So if you watch what I did, my analysis on gbpusd still remains the same, because I told you guys that if gbpusd take out this high and retest, I'm going to buy, which gbpusd is still consolidating inside this box. It has not done anything. So my analysis on gbpusd still remains the same, which is if gbpusd buy and take out this high, with this high might be a break and retest of this trend line. This is what might happen. If eventually break this high, I don't know whether it will take out this trend line, but if it didn't take out that trend line, it will be a break and retest of this level. But if you take out this trend line, it will be a break and retest of this line, because it might break and retest on this trend line, keep moving forward without coming back to this zone again. I don't know, but that's my prediction. But when the setup start playing out, then I will know what to do. And again, if gbpusd start selling and take out this low, then this buy setup is no longer valid. Then I might look at it to break this zone, then come back to somewhere here, then start dropping. Then my another bias will be GBP taking out this low. I'm repeating myself, to come back to any of this zone. Then I will take a sell from here, then target 1 to 2. But let's see how all this scenario will play out. I'll keep you guys posted when it starts playing out. So I think that's my analysis for today. Let's watch out and see how this will play out, guys. Stay safe and God bless.